So, finished breaking up this massive box, and no blade play in either direction, and the lock still kind of opens and closes quite easily. Third in the blade, we'll get that out, clean this out. But yeah, deadbolt lock, it definitely works. I had no fear that the lock was going to collapse on my fingers. It did nice on the cardboard, even the frozen cardboard. So I like it. It works. You can close the knife, keep your fingers out of the blade path. So this is the CRKT Seismic by Flavio Okoma, and it is a brand new knife for 2019, and it features their new deadbolt lock, which I like quite a bit.